All right, hey guys, my name is Julian with Legacy Roofers. Today I wanted to show you the 4 types of gutter guards that we use. Gutter guards or leaf guards are meant to protect your gutters so you never have to clean them ever again. We can start with our most budget-friendly one and then work our way up. All of these gutter guards are made with 100% recycled aluminum. With the exception of these two, they have the stainless steel added to them, and these are completely made out of stainless steel, so that's why they're our most expensive materials. But let's start with the zip screen here. This is a powder coated aluminum, really flexible, no screws needed. They just clip on and kind of bend in and kind of sit like that. They come in 4-foot lengths, and these are pretty reliable. You can see how maybe some twigs, little sticks, pine needles can get in. The roof debris will fall in through that. And of course, as we move up, you avoid the debris and the small insects. But you know, these will do the trick if you don't have a lot of trees around your home. If you don't have to worry about the birds and the squirrels, then these are a good option. The zip screen, so I can just leave that there. Okay, next we got the Leaf Exterminator. These are probably our most commonly used leaf guards. They are also made of complete recycled aluminum, and they're a little bit more sturdier. And these are our most, like I said, our most commonly used, just because of the ease of installation. Boom, they just sit like that. Already have the pre-drilled holes for the screws up here and back there. And the crews really love these because, again, they just clip on, screw, 4-foot lengths. You need maybe 2 or 3 screws for each 4-foot panel, and it's done. They come in black and white, and again, these are probably my favorite. And the price difference between these and these is not that big a difference. So again, that's why a lot of homeowners love to use these guys. Okay, moving on up, we got the Aqua Armor. You can see the mesh is really small, really tight, avoids pine needles, insects, a lot of small debris like the roof. You know, you can see pine needles and roof debris getting in these, but that's usually not an issue. If you want that extra protection, we got these guys for you. And again, these kind of just clip right there, and we can pre-drill these and then screw some screws in there for extra protection. These are probably our least commonly used. The reason because is the price between this and this is very little, so might as well get the big heavy complete stainless steel micro mesh. And these guys will go under your shingle and sit under the shingle like so, and you can see the mesh protects from small insects, pine needles, even the roof debris will not get through these guys. Really good gutter guards. These are our most expensive ones. These two are very similar priced, so that's why we get a lot of these sold. And then these two are very common or similar priced, and that's why we sell these guys a lot. So there you have it, guys. These are our 4 types of gutter guards that we like to use. You can see the difference between all 4, and yeah, we'd love to install them in your gutters if you really need them.